You wake up, and nothing is technically wrong. You have a roof, food, people around you. And yet, something feels off, like you're moving through life in slow motion, like you're stuck. And no matter how much you sleep or scroll or wait, that heavy low feeling just won't lift. Here's the truth almost nobody tells you. You're not lazy, you're not weak, and you're probably not broken. You're caught in a loop that your own brain built to protect you. Let me explain. Your brain has one job that it takes more seriously than anything else: keep you safe. And to your brain, safe means familiar, predictable, comfortable. The problem is that everything you actually want in life, growth, confidence, a better version of yourself, lives on the other side of discomfort. So every time you get close to doing the hard thing, your brain quietly pulls you back toward what feels easy. One more episode, one more day. I'll start tomorrow. And here's the trap. Avoiding the hard thing feels like relief in the moment. But that relief is a lie. Every time you avoid, you teach your brain that the hard thing is dangerous and the comfortable thing is safe. So the next time, avoiding is even easier. The loop tightens, and slowly, without you noticing, your whole world gets smaller. The low feeling, the stuck feeling, that doesn't come from being comfortable. It comes from the gap between who you are right now and who you quietly know you could be. That gap is the ache, and every single day you don't move toward it, the gap grows a little wider, and the ache gets a little louder. That's what being stuck actually is. It's not a lack of motivation. It's the weight of a life you're not living yet.
Now here's the part that changes everything. You've been waiting to feel motivated before you act. But that's backwards. Motivation doesn't come first. Action does. Motivation is what shows up after you start moving, not before. You will never feel ready. So stop waiting for a feeling that isn't coming.
The way out of the loop isn't some massive life overhaul. It's the smallest possible step. Make the bed. Write one sentence. Walk to the end of the street.
It sounds too simple to matter, but that tiny action sends your brain a brand new message. We can do hard things, and we survive.
Do it again tomorrow, and again the day after, and momentum quietly takes over. That's how you climb out. Not in one leap, in one small step, repeated.
You were never stuck because something was wrong with you. You were stuck because you were waiting. And the moment you stop waiting and start moving, everything begins to change.
So today, don't try to fix your whole life. Just take one step, then watch what happens. If this hit home, subscribe and stick around. We make the science of your mind simple, one drawing